Okay, so hi guys, this is Vinay, and well, we are going to start with a new project, and this is like the introductory video of how we are going to progress ahead to get this project into reality. And let me just first tell you about the overall workflow. Okay, so right now I don't know much about how we are going to actually make this thing, but I just know what I want. Okay, so I want a machine which can look from the webcam and look at people and then actually recognize people based on their examples or the photos of them which we have previously. Okay, so for this we need a good AI or machine learning model, and to train that basically we need lots and lots of photos of the person or the people which we are trying to recognize. Okay, so the very first aim over here or the very first objective will be to get everything rolling and to basically initialize our machine learning model to first classify like these images of these flowers, and then we have to convert it. Basically the second objective will be to create a script or a program which will take photos every second, and then you will just have the person jogging or walking left and right in front of the webcam, so you have a lot of examples to train your machine learning model on. And well, in the third objective we are going to convert all of this and we are going to basically make another script or Python program which will then generate the output and tell us every maybe quarter or half second like which person is standing in front of the camera. Okay, so after this we have two like optional objectives. We can also like migrate the whole thing to a Raspberry Pi with a camera module, and we can just eliminate the need of a laptop or a big machine, and then we can also control an Arduino by giving it serial commands. And I guess that's it. This is the research which I have done, and this is basically the roadmap of how we are going to create this project, which will at the end recognize people which you have trained it to, and give some commands to a microcontroller like Arduino, and then do some specific actions. Okay, so without wasting any more time, I guess that's it for this video, and stay tuned for the next one.